How to fix WhatsApp verification code not received. Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to fix a very common issue of not receiving the WhatsApp verification code. So if your OTP is not coming, do not worry, we'll fix it step by step. So we can start by checking up our network signal. So check your network signal first, ensure that the Wi-Fi or the data is working properly, and you can also look out for the airplane mode and turn it on and off, and that should refresh your connection. Also wait for 1 to 2 minutes, avoid requesting multiple codes quickly because too many attempts can delete the OTP. Apart from that, what we can do is we can disable do not disturb. So go to settings for that, and once we are in settings, go to sounds and vibration, and there just go over and turn off the option for do not disturb. So we can look out for the do not disturb option. If not here, we can look out for it directly through the quick settings. Look out for do not disturb and go ahead and turn off this option. Also turn off the battery saver. So go to settings and look out for battery and device care. And once we find battery and device care, tap on battery and then go ahead and disable the battery save or the power saving option. That because some of the phone blocks SMS in the background. Also, you can restart your phone. You can hold the power button for that and find the restart option and tap on it. A simple restart should also fix temporary issues instantly. Apart from that, open up the Play Store application and go to the search. Once we go to the search for WhatsApp. And once we find WhatsApp, we can update WhatsApp application to the latest version by tapping on the update option. And that's it. If nothing else works, SMS services may be blocked, international SMS might be disabled. You can contact the same provider to fix it. And that's it. That's how we fix WhatsApp verification code not received. You can follow out these steps. So if this video helped you out, do not forget to like, subscribe for more tips and tutorials.